Hello, today we are going to solve one numerical problem of AIME 1 2020. In this problem, we are told that a flat board has a circular hole with radius 1 and a circular hole with radius 2, such that the distance between the centers of the two holes is 7, and two spheres with equiradius sit in the two holes such that the spheres are tangent to each other. Now, the square of the radius of the sphere is denoted by m by n, where m and n are relatively prime positive integers, and we need to find the value of m plus n. Okay, so first we draw the diagram, then we start the solution. Okay, so this is the cross-sectional picture of the given problem. Here we draw the first hole with radius 1 and the second hole with radius 2. Okay, and say the common radius of these two sphere is equals to r. Okay, now if we draw the perpendicular bisector of the chord, that is this, through the circle, this line goes through the center. Okay, now connect the center also to where the chord hits the circle. We connect the center and also connect this. Okay, and complete these two triangles. Okay, now by the question, this distance is 7, and here we get another triangle with base 7. So just name this all triangles. It is A, B and C, and suppose it is E, F and G, and it is suppose named as M. Okay, therefore in the triangle ABC, there are two right angle triangles. There are two right angled triangle. We just separate this triangle from this picture and draw the right angle triangle. Okay, and suppose this is named as D. Okay, so these two are the right angle triangles. So take one right angle triangle, suppose triangle ADC. Here DC is equals to 1, as we are told that the radius of the hole is 1, and here the value of AC is equals to r, which is the radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere Okay, therefore the value of AD from Pythagoras formula, we have the value of AD, which is root over r square minus 1. Okay, now take the another triangle take another triangle, which is triangle EFG. Here also two right angle triangles. Okay, okay, so we separately draw the triangle, and we draw the perpendicular bisector of the chord FG and give names E, F, G. Here the radius value is 2 and give name to it. Suppose we give name it as N. Therefore this is a right angle triangle. In triangle ENG, the value of NG is equals to 2, the value of EG is equals to R. Therefore the value of EN is equals to root over r square minus 4. Okay, now see this triangle, that is triangle AME. In this triangle, in triangle AME, in this triangle, it is also a right angle triangle with base 7 by the question, and the value of AM is the difference between AD and EN. As you can see, the value of AM is nothing but the difference between AD and EN. So therefore the value of AM is equals to root over r square minus 1 minus root over r square minus 4. Hence, by Pythagoras theorem, okay, by Pythagorean theorem, we can say that hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. So here the value of AE is 2R. The value of AE is 2R because this is just the two radius of the two spheres. Therefore the value of AE is 2R. The value of AM is given by this, that is root over r square minus 1 minus root over r square minus 4 whole square, and the value of ME is 49. AIME square is 49 because the value of AIME is 7. Therefore, after solving this, we get 4r square. Here we get r square minus 1 plus r square minus 4 minus 2 into root over r square minus 1 multiplied by r square minus 4 plus 49. Okay. Therefore, here we get 2r squared. Here we get 44 minus 2 root over r square minus 1 multiplied by r square minus 4. Okay. So after dividing both sides by 2, we get here r square, and here we get 22 minus r square minus 1 multiplied by r square minus 4. Okay. After squaring the both sides, we get r square minus 1 multiplied by r square minus 4, and in the left side we get r square minus 22's whole square, which is equals to r to the power 4 minus 44 r square plus 484 is equals to r to the power 4 minus 5 r square plus 4. Okay. So after solving this, we get 39 r square is equals to 480, and therefore the value of r square is 480 divided by 39, which results in 160 divided by 13. So as we can see that the square of the radius of the sphere given by the question is, sorry, we have to take the capital letter of r. Okay, therefore it will be 39 r squared. Here we get r squared, and the value of r square given by the question is m by n. Therefore m plus n is equals to 160 plus 13, which results in 173. Okay, so this is the answer, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.